Hey guys, Cal and Family Handyman. You know, there are a lot of common myths that people believe about their car. Let's check out a few of them that you should stop believing because they might be ruining your vehicle. One common myth is that you need to replace your tires all at the same time. This isn't exactly true. If you drive an all-wheel drive vehicle or a four-wheel drive vehicle, you should replace them all at once. But if you drive a vehicle that's rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, you can get away with replacing one tire at a time. Another common myth is that driving with your tailgate down increases fuel efficiency. Wrong. They did a study, they discovered that this is not the case. Although, if you put a mesh tailgate on, that will increase fuel efficiency just slightly. Here's a myth. Electrical vehicles pose a greater risk of car fire than conventional cars. This is not true. In 2012, they did a study and they discovered that electrical vehicles do not pose a greater risk of car fire than gasoline-powered cars. Here's a myth you may or may not have heard of. Filling up with gas in the morning will allow you to get more gas. Because it's colder, gas is more dense, right? Allowing you to get a higher percentage of gasoline in your tank. Well, that's not exactly true. Because the way they store gasoline at stations, the temperature remains basically the same. So no matter what time of the day you go to fill up, it's always going to be the same. The age-old trick of warming up your car in winter. It's actually not good for your engine. You only need about 30 seconds to warm up your car and it's good to go. Gasoline does the trick of warming it up. Premium fuel will increase my car's performance. False. You should stick to the manufacturer's recommendations of which fuel to fill your car up with. Using a higher octane fuel when it's unnecessary might even cause damage to your car. I have to change my oil every 3,000 miles. This is not true. With synthetic oil like this, you can go up to 10,000 miles per oil change. It's best to refer to your owner's manual to make sure you know when to change your oil. And while I'm at it, sometimes when you go to get your oil changed at a place like this, they'll ask you to switch out your air filter and flush your coolant every time. You don't have to do this every time. That's very unnecessary. Once again, it's best to refer to your owner's manual to know when to do this. So those are just a few car myths that you could stop believing. For more automotive tips and information, head to FamilyHandyman.com.